You already know this, but you ignore it because they're invisible wallet burners. Every day, hard water is silently draining your money, damaging your health, and shortening the life of everything it touches. Let's break it down. Scale buildup inside geysers and washing machines. That's your appliances dying faster than they should. Take longer, using more electricity, and driving up your bills every month. Repairs, replacements, more money down the drain. Corroded pipes and taps, rust stains, brown water in your wash basins. Frequent plumber visits, all thanks to hard water minerals destroying your plumbing from the inside. Yellow stains, blocked pipelines. Every call to the plumber is another leak in your bank account. Your tap filters, clogged with mineral dust. Your flush tanks, filled with settled grit that wears out your toilet mechanisms. And while you bathe, brush, or clean, there's something growing inside your storage tanks. Algae, bacteria, and biofilms. You can't see it, but you're using it. Those sleek, expensive chrome fittings, now they look like someone painted them with toothpaste. White stains, scaling, discoloration that no cleaning removes. Hard water also creates slippery, slimy bathroom floors. A silent fall hazard, especially dangerous for elders and kids. And you're spending more on detergent, acid, tile cleaners, more chemicals, more exposure, more breathing trouble for kids and seniors at home. Even your skin and hair aren't spared. Dry skin, hair fall, and constant itchiness, which again drains your wallet with creams, serum, oils, and expensive medicine. Not to mention the taste and odor that affects your cooking and drinking, leading to kidney problems, bone demineralization, joint pains, and even cancer. And in apartments, hard water kills STP efficiency. It blocks water recycling, releases foul odors, and leads to regulatory non-compliance. All this for what? Because of invisible calcium and magnesium in your water, bacterial contamination because of neglected water monitoring systems, leading to typhoid, diarrhea, cholera, and more. That's not just inconvenience. You spend lakhs trying to fix what you could have prevented, which is not sustainable for any household or business. You clean harder, spend more, repair often, breathe chemicals, get hospitalized, and still live with dirty water. It's not a luxury to solve this, it's a necessity. Hygiene, safety, and peace of mind. In part 2, we'll expose the so-called solutions everyone's falling for, and why most of them don't actually work, and more in maintenance operational costs.